Everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can add extensions in Google Chrome. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just write extensions in Google, and here you just want to like open extension Chrome Google, and you can like find plenty of extensions that you can use, like I don't know, toggle track, loom, or you can go like only ratings with 5, right? Or what you can do for blogging, and you can really find. And then when I have the toggle productivity tool, I just add to Chrome, right? Add extension, there, and then I just log in and voila. So this is how I simply do it. Thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, ask me down in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you. And yeah, have a great day and goodbye.